What is up, guys? It's Ian and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to get free stuff on Roblox on your Xbox One. So typically, like on PC, a lot of people were searching up like how to get free stuff on Roblox, even though all the videos were all clickbaited. Like all the videos are clickbait, and people have been saying on the comments on other people's channels in their videos saying that, oh my gosh, it works, even though, like, if you see a comment that said, oh my gosh, it works, they made those accounts so they can convince you to do it, or something like that, like scams or something like that, like those generators and something like that. So yeah, so don't get convinced by those old accounts that they make. So yeah, but on Xbox, you should know how to do it, but I'm just here for the people that don't know what they have inside the Roblox, and this Xbox One, and you can get free clothes and characters, all that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And also, if you're on PC, like you don't know what to do on Xbox, you want to download Roblox on the not Minecraft, I don't know why I say that, but you want to download Roblox on your in the Microsoft Store. Then it should take like 259 megabits of storage. So it's not that big, or 1 gigabyte. I don't know, but it should do it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So you want to go to Roblox. I rarely play that because I don't have gold. Oh no, it's a 4 gigabit, so yeah. Alright, you wanna go to Roblox. Pray that will let me in because I don't have gold. And also, guys, thank you for like 107 subscribers. We got 2 subs yesterday, so the shoutouts, 3 shoutouts will be in the link in the description, so y'all can sub to them. Alright, you wanna, after that, once you're on Roblox menu page, like which I am right there, you wanna click start and pray that they'll let me in. Alright, wait for the loading screen, and that's me right there on the left side. That's me. If y'all want to friend me, it's IanChampion_forever, capital I, same thing as Ian Champ. So yeah. Alright, once you're on the Xbox main menu, you want to go up and go to the right to avatar, and it should say free stuff like free Clary, free Lynn, free Serena, whatever you say it, Casey, all those. I mean, these two cost like 1,000 Robux, but 1,250, yeah, some are 250, some are 500, all that. But you want to get the free stuff, like you can get these. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these free, including Oakley and John. So once you purchase them on your Xbox, like, would you like to buy it? And it's free, so it's really exclusive on Xbox, since Roblox wants, I don't know why they put up excuse me. I don't know if Roblox put on it on PS4. Probably not, because I don't know, but I think it's way better on Xbox or something like that. So you want to click take, and they'll ask, are you sure? And you said yes. And you should get it by hearing the cash sound effect. I like these two the most, but this one's my main best. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, that should be it by now. So make sure not sorry. Once you're done like collecting all those free items, you want to go to your PC. Excuse me for a sec. Just deleting stuff that's like part of my information. Cancel. No. Delete Google, Chrome, and where my Firefox at. And also, if y'all want to friend me on Discord, is right here. Ian Champ underscore YT. I'll show it to you. And champ underscore YT. That's me right there. That's me, and my number is hashtag 4540. So y'all can friend me here, or it'll be in link in the description as well. So yeah. All right. So once you purchase all those on your Xbox, you want to go to Roblox. So y'all can see that this is not clickbait or even a scam. I'm just making this video so y'all don't have to make how you call it? Yeah, so y'all don't have to buy Robux from use your money for Robux so you can buy clothes or all that. And also if you want to add me on Roblox, here is Ian_YT, and my other one's Ian_Forever. This is my ult. So yeah. Sorry if this is so long. Come on, I don't want to waste your time, so oh my gosh, I just woke up. Oh yeah, I forgot. Alright, so once you're in your Roblox page, you want to go to your avatar. I know I have a lot of friends here. Some are bots, some are not. But you want to go to your avatar, and it should work. See, like I have these, I have like accessories, all that. As you can see, I have all of these characters right here. That's me, that I usually wear. That's Claire, and I think Oakley is like, I don't know, but I really use them. But you should get all the characters. Like, the way you know if you got them probably is costume or something like that, or hats. I don't know, but once you get them, I think you should get them like right here. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and today's 3 shoutouts will be link in the description. So yeah, peace out guys, and I'll see you later.